how do you suggest we develop these skills when pitching in a remote setting? How do you sell over Zoom?
You need to stand, right? Stand.
Physically?
Not them, but when you present, you need to stand. So we just ran a group coaching session with 12 people online. So we did an in-person workshop, and the follow-up was to do online coaching, and we had them present the exact presentation they'd done live to all of their peers, recorded. We had them present it back over Zoom. They had more self-conscious struggle, red faces, and that kind of thing in their voice going on. They had more of that online than they did at all in person. So we know that impacts people a lot, that little dot on the screen. But what we do is we get them to stand and present. We get them to elevate their cameras so that their chin is up, because one, it helps so you look better. But two, I don't know about you, but I'm getting old, right? So I get these lines under my eyes, and if I lean my head down and I've got light behind me and my face is dark, I start to look like the Grim Reaper online. And people just, because it's all about building liking, trust, and respect.
Yeah.
And if people are looking at the Grim Reaper, it doesn't matter what you're saying. They're just like, I don't know.
Bye now.
Yeah.
I've got this great story about Ed.
So it doesn't kind of cut through. So if we can elevate that, get ourselves positioned upwards, it lifts our chest for a start, right? It also allows our hands to move more. But what people don't realize is when you're presenting online, you are presenting no different to as if you were here on the stage.
Yeah.
And you have to treat it that way. But people won't. I've seen a minister speak online to an aerospace tech summit, and we were just listening to her whilst watching up her nose the entire time. So even at the high levels within New Zealand, we're still not doing it well. And we can raise that bar just by doing little tools. Grab a chair, stick it on the table, put your laptop on top of it. There you go. Problem solved.
And you know what? I'm going to add to that. Get one of those ring lights. It just makes you look so much better.
Yeah.
Like, someone who interviews people remotely all the time, it looks so much better if you can do that. Yeah.
And you can double down. You use it for makeup as well.
Oh, of course. I mean,
Yeah.
is it tax deductible if we do that? I don't know.
It is 100%.
Hey, thank you. That was amazing. Really, really, really energizing. Won't you join me in thanking Michael Philpott?
Thanks, everyone.